So, the thing I've been waiting for since Monday is finally here. So, it finally came. I feel like it's been waiting forever for this. So now, I don't know why I got one of these. I never really thought I'd ever use one of these until we went to Mexico. And then everything changed. This is DJI Mavic Air. FedEx showed up at the right time. What's this? This is... That's the... I don't know what that is. As much as I want to go try this right now, I probably should go to the gym. On it in black. So, I was with my buddy in Mexico. He had the Phantom 3. Flew that. Came back immediately and bought this drone. Bum bum bum. Dun dun. This is my drum roll in my head. Bum bum bum. Bump. Comes in a little case. Oh, that's it. The other case was the whole thing. Oh, that's actually... Oh, that's the remote. Perfect. The silica. Save that. Alright, this is the accessories. This is the... Nothing else in there. This is the drone, I think. Let's see. This is going to be the instructions. Instructions, and they're here to help. Those. Propellers. Like that. This is going to be probably the charger and the battery. Charger. Another cable. I don't know what that is. Cable. Wait, is this battery? I don't know. That's going to be more cables. Looks like that's empty. Look at that. Bum 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 bum. This is like the smallest, shortest little thing ever. I should probably read the instructions before I do this, but control sticks. Okay. Well, if the control is confusing, I don't know how I'm going to do this whole drone thing, but alright. For a little size comparison, here's the drone. That's my cell phone. iPhone 7, normal. How small this whole thing is. Oh, how exciting. So now we're going to set this up and then hopefully go fly today. Unfold rear, oh, 1, okay. Oh. Down. Cool, down. Then out. Number 2. Cool. This is number 2. This is number 3. Powering on. Power on. Press the button once, then press and hold for 2 seconds before first use fully charged battery to activate it. Pull the battery sliders to remove the battery. Oh, okay. Battery's already on. Oh, no. Okay, cool. Serial number. Remove the gimbal clamp before powering on. Okay, so let's remove the gimbal clamp. Is that the gimbal clamp? Okay, where do you charge this thing at? I mean, alright, what's in here? This is going to be bag number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Fighting out of the red corner. Weighing in, I don't know. Oh, this goes to this. Alright. Annoying. Okay, I hate those things. Alright, this plugs into this. Perfect. This plugs into something else. I don't know where it plugs in at. Oh, maybe this. Nope, those are blades. Extra blades. This. You know what? I probably should read the instructions. Oh, found them. These fit. Like that. Think I'll ever use these safety precautions? Because I'm sure it goes like this. I don't know. Left front. Like this. Push down. Oh, dope. Okay, so you just go like this, right? Push down, pull out. Push down, pull out. Push down, pull out. Okay, come out. Oh, I guess it doesn't really matter as long as you go opposite of each, right? Alright, well, we'll figure this out. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is charge all the stuff, and then we're going to go to the gym. And when we come back, we will be ready to rock and roll. Charge this thing. Oh. Battery's out. Oh, cool. Word? Just like this, huh? Oh, just like this. Okay, cool. Don't. Figure that out. I want to say this comes out. Oh, there we go. There it is. iPhone right there. Joystick. Perfect. Joystick number 2. Or the right joystick, if you will. And then I guess you plug this in like this, right? Oh, and then you just go like this. DJI. Go here. Ooh, sport mode. Fuck yeah, let's go to sport mode. ASAP. Okay, connect your device. Huh. Alright, so now I gotta figure this out. I also don't know how you put these things on, so this is interesting. C thing for your computer. Or for the... Probably for this thing right here, right? Oh. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Alright. What's this do? I don't know why I need to do that. Is it charged through there, I wonder? Does this thing charge or stand? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nope, those are those things. Okay, I'll put these back in here. Let's go in here. Do I have everything? Oh, DJI 4, go for it. Okay, cool. Which is this? What do I have? DJI App Store. Downloading it now. As we speak. As we speak. While this is charging, let's go to the gym. Let's get our, oh, how do I charge this thing? This thing needs to be charged. I like this flat cord though. This flat cord is kind of dope. How do you charge that stupid thing? Okay. I don't know what that means. USB adapter. I don't see a USB adapter anywhere. Wait. Oh, is there another? Did I lose something? Really? I've already lost something? Oh, look at this. Found it. The one thing I was missing. It's 2 more little things for your, I accept this mission. Just, oh, these bags. Just open. Oh, now it's, oh, it opened, but now it's not open. How exciting is that? Definitely. Oh, there we go. There we go. Figured it out. Wait, what? What to plug in? Oh, B plugs in there. I don't think so, but okay. Whatever you say. Cool. Okay. Okay. All right. What is my email address? It's probably. Boom. Got it. Mavic Air. Oh yeah. Let's do that. Oh. Oh hey. He's gotta like. Gotta make it work, I guess. All right. All right. We're gonna see how this works. This goes. These go back in like this. Down, 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 and then these come like that up underneath. These have to go down. Make sure to put the landings. Yeah. Come on, man. You gotta put the landing gear down. Up, I mean. Kind of funny. There it is. So after flying the drone, the new Mavic Air, for about 10-15 minutes, I'm gonna have to definitely get some new batteries, because sitting here waiting for it to recharge kind of isn't really fun. And if I was in the middle of actually shooting something that I needed to shoot, this would not be good at all. So I guess I'll order them online.